SRMs may access employee digital NSTC certificates by proceeding to the alaskasafetyalliance.org website. Top right hand of the screen, you'll want to select Login. Once on the login screen, you'll use your username or your email in the top field and enter your password in the lower field. If you forgot your password, you may reset this by selecting Forgot Password and an email will be sent to you. Select Login. Once logged in, you'll proceed to your Users tab in the top gray strip and find your location. Select the location of the employee for the record you wish to find. Select the employee by selecting their first or last name. This will take you to their profile page where you will scroll down to User Home Page. Select User Home Page. Scroll all the way down to the Completed section. Here you'll find two records. Typically the top record is going to be the NSTC Unescorted Certificate. You will find another record below, however that will not grant a certificate. You want to go back up to the certificate and select the certificate itself. This will automatically download and you can view or share the certificate. You may also go back to the completed section and at the top you'll see a forward completions button. You may select this if you would like to forward these certs. Select the certificate that you're looking to share and select email. You may enter as many emails as you wish in the to and the CC fields. Please make sure you separate those with a comma each email. You may drag and drop files, but this is not necessary. If you do add a file, the upload button will then become available. You may edit or leave as is the subject line, and you may edit or leave as is the body of the email itself. The receiver will receive a link to the certificate in this email. When you are ready to send, select Send.